Jeffy, stop it! Jeffy, no chicken! What, Jeffy? You're not a dog, Jeffy, stop it! Jeffy, stop that! You're not a kitty cat, Jeffy. Stop it, Jeffy.
Mario, guess what? My parents are coming over!
Your parents? Jeffy, stop it!
Meh. Meh.
Give me a second. Prize bee.
I'm an elephant.
What, Jeffy, you're an elephant? Well, Jeffy, just stop with all the animal noises, please. Just, you're giving me a headache, Jeffy.
Meh.
Stop, Jeffy. Wait. Animal noises? What animal noises, Jeffy? I can take him to the zoo. Jeffy, do you want to go to the zoo? Oh, okay, Jeffy, come on. I'm going to take you to the zoo. That's going to be your prize, okay? You're going to see all the animals you want to see. Come on.
Chicken pox. See?
This. Jeffy? Is that you? Are you a chicken? I'm gonna call a doctor, Jeffy. I'm gonna call a doctor.
Hey there, you called me back?
Oh, thank you, doctor, for coming.
Oh God, it smells like up dog in here.
What's up, dog?
My nuts in your mouth. What's up with you?
My son's a chicken.
What the fuck?